Welcome to this presentation about Google Table Reservation integrated with Odoo. I'm Quentin from the POS expertise team, and today I'm very excited to present you this feature that I'm pretty sure will really help you. Just before we start, feel free to scan the following QR code in order to prepare your question from the end of this talk. And don't worry, it will come back anyway at the end of the presentation. So, let's start with a story. It happened some months ago. I wanted to book a table for my POS team, as team building, in an Indian restaurant I particularly liked. Then they don't have Google integration, of course, what a shame. But then I needed to remember the name of the restaurant, to remember the website. I knew they have a website. And then I went on the website, I tried to book a table, and it was, it took me some time, and it was not super clear. Also, it was fully booked. This is a very good restaurant. Then I tried to grab the phone, call someone at the restaurant. Sometimes it works. I had a nice guy. He told me, no problem, your booking is done. We have one table free for you. Amazing. I'm saved. Then, some weeks later, the D-Day, I was wondering, I still didn't get any mail of confirmation, any reminder, anything in my agenda, nothing. Then I started to freak it out a little bit. But I just phoned the restaurant to be sure that my booking was done. Nobody answered. I told you, this is a very busy restaurant. I started to really freaking out because my colleagues came from different parts of Belgium, all in Brussels. So we arrived at the restaurant, and of course, my booking was not done. So what am I telling this? Just think about the fact how stressful it was, how ashamed I was in front of my colleague, because as a point of sale expert, I should be able to book some restaurant. And for the restaurant, also, it's not a comfortable situation. They can lose customers, those customers can talk to others. Globally, this is a failure as customer experience. That's why today I'm talking about this problem. I will talk about the solution with the Google integration, then a quick demo and Q&A. You know, basic agenda. Let's go through it. So with Google, this integration, you will be able to get a better service and make your customer experience more comfortable. It's clear, it's quick. Some click, you got a reservation. It's very, very much more easier. Then it will drastically boost your efficiency. Forget about your waiter always answering the phone. Forget about checking all the booking in a book that you can lost, in Post-it that you can lost as well. Everything is at the same very place. Then, if you have more happy customer, and if you boost your efficiency, you will grow your revenue. It makes sense. And this is what we want for you. But enough talk. Let's see that in real time. I will start with a flow from the customer point of view, then the flow from business owner point of view, and then I will show you the configuration to be able to link your Google account and Odoo. So let's start with this very nice restaurant in Mons, if you're interested. It's called La Cour des Dames. And let's assume that they now connected Google with their Odoo account. So you have a button here, a button that the Google algorithm really like. It will also improve then your SEO and then your visibility online. So as a customer, I will click on this button and I will get a page, classic Google Map page, when I can see directly all the free spots. So even if you are last-minute booker, even if you are not sure, instead of calling your restaurant and hoping that the waiter will call you back to say that your table is free, you can directly see it on the spot. So it's easy. All you have to do is to book. You click there. You say for 2 today, for 7 p.m. And then all you need to do is to enter your contact, your information, that will be directly linked to your Odoo database in Contact, which is very, very nice feature, and then reserve. And voila, this is super easy, only 3 clicks, and it's already booked and a clear confirmation message. Your booking is confirmed. Oh, it is so great. All right, so now let's check that in Odoo from the business owner point of view. So you will go to point of sale on your restaurant. And then first thing that you will see is that all your different booking. You can see all your table and the booking and of course the hour where it's booked. You can check if there are other places that are booked. Okay, I have many reservations today. That's clear. What I'm interested in here, it's clicked on booking, and then you will see directly all your booking with a color code. So the blue is the color per default. It means that there is a booking going. You will have the green, meaning that the client is indeed in your restaurant. So easy, you can click on the booking and say, okay, the client is here, we can checked in. If it doesn't show up, you just have to click and it turns red. This is a no-show. So it's easy. You can clearly see which table is free now to optimize your process. All right, but it's not all. You will see different kind of things. Also, what you can do is to easily manage the booking. Here, for example, you see there are lots of booking from the same table. What you can do is just drag them to do a drag and drop, and you will display the different reservation on different table. It's very easy. Then there is something else that's interesting. If you go to your plan, you will see here like a double booking. Johnny Bravo for 7 p.m. Looks suspicious. Let's see what's happening. And if you click here, you will see all the detail of the booking, and you will see that there is a booking for 4 people at 7 o'clock. Same here, of course. So what did I do? I just configure, we will see that later, linked table to say, okay, there is a booking for 4 people. I don't have a table for 4. Let's reserve 2 tables from 2. And then, so 3 and 5. And then when the client will come, I will just be able to do this and take the reservation anyway. All right. So let's check. Let's check now the following. So as a customer, what I will get is also clear message, clear confirmation from my booking. Either is confirmed, canceled, or modified. I will each time have a clear traceability about my booking. And also I can modify it from my mail page. If I modify it, it will be directly changed in my pipe. And if I want to cancel it, same, the booking will just disappear from the pipe, from the restaurant, and then allowing you as business owner to free the table and welcome new customer and then make new sales. Also, the customer will have the opportunity to link Google to his agenda, which is very, very handy in order to not forget anything. All right, let's now check the configuration. So for the configuration, I will come back to my main dashboard. And even before that, I will make sure to create my Google business account. It can take some days, and maybe some of you already have a business account. So first of all, you need to create a business account. Then you will go to your database, make sure you have the application appointment, and go in app and download the module Google reservation. So appointment, Google reserve. You can download the module, and then now we will configure the appointment. So you go here, and you will see that there is this page. Google Booking. So from here, you will be able to link your Google Reserve Merchant, so the name you use in your Google Business profile, fill the different information, make sure that the name and the address are matching as much as possible what you written in the Google profile business. And then you just have to click here to make the link with your Odoo database. It can take approximately 24 hours. It's quite fast. So, and also, in order to be Google compliant, you will need to check those features. Availability on resources. Your resources are your table, of course. The assignment method, auto-assign. The scheduling window, available now and up to 31 days into the future. Then here, you can also configure the pre-booking time or the time before canceling. You have here your schedule. And you can also configure here some reminder and mail to send to your client. Once it's done, you can work on linked resources. So as we have seen earlier, if I got a booking for 8 people and I only have 2 tables of 4 left, in order to do this matching, I will use this feature. So be smart and link table that can be joined together, of course. As you've seen, this table 1, I link it to the 4 and the other ones that are closed. This is another place, so I won't link the table between them. So this is what you can do just right here. You can just do the link resource. Once it's done, what you can do now is to go to point of sale. Go to configuration, settings. Then be sure that you allow table booking and you have the right appointment type, of course. I can check if it's the right one. Yes, it's this one. Perfect. Okay, so this is good for point of sales. One last thing, maybe you have already checked that today or in another presentation, but it's quite kind of important. You can go here on floor plans and make sure that all your table in point of sales match your resources. This column maybe is not available, not visible per default, so you can just make it appear from this little menu here and make sure that the table 1 is a table 1, 4 seat, and so on. All right then. So basically you have configured your database, the appointment type, and your point of sales, and then you are ready to go. As simple as that. So if we want to wrap it up, this integration, some of you can have a Google integration, but not necessarily with Odoo. Then it's way much easier to have everything gathered at the same place, as you know. This will help you to deliver, as I said, more comfortable experience to your customer. As you've seen, only some clicks, you get a clear confirmation booking. This is so much better. And I think in 2025, isn't that customer are waiting for? Yeah. I think also it will drastically boost efficiency. I think for me it's the best point, because instead of checking your Google reservation on this service, instead of checking all your booking on the website, on Post-it, on there, you gather everything at the same right place, and it's so much easier. And as you have seen, it's so easy. You just drag and drop the booking reservation. You can really play with this. And all automated. It's so easy, so convenient. Also, it will grow your revenue. Imagine if people want to book a table at your restaurant, they can do it in the middle of the night. If people want to book at the last minute, can do it. If people want to plan in advance, it can do it as well. And don't forget that there are still lots of people using Google Maps, especially for restaurants. Also, it will help you to reduce no-show, because you will send reminder, you will send some mail, some confirmation alert, some message in the agenda. So people will tend to be more on time and won't forget anything. Also, if they need to cancel, maybe they will feel more comfortable to do it in one click than to call the restaurant saying, yeah, we are 8, we are not coming today. It's easy, one click, and then the restaurant can directly take action to free table and welcome new customer and then make more sales again. So this is all about optimization for you and for your staff. And with optimization, you can grow your revenue. Thank you for your attention. And if you have any question, feel free to ask. Thank you.
Thank you, Quentin. Very interesting to see how we can integrate Google with Odoo on online reservations and match customer habits on the reservations. So questions are coming in. We'll have to wait a bit. So first question here. Is it possible to ask customers to confirm reservations with reminders?
Yeah, you can send reminders, indeed.
Straight answer.
Yes.
As easy as that. Is it possible in the future that to use the post to take out some... No, stupid question. Sorry. Very weird ones at this time. Does it integrate with OpenTable?
I don't know. With OpenTable?
OpenTable, yeah.
I don't know.
I don't know if it's compatible.
If you want to know, you can come to the booth. Yes.
Or ask the PO. Is there any conflict with reservation done directly from our website using Odoo? And the question is still finishing. Website. Is there any conflict with reservation done directly from our website using Odoo website?
Okay, so you can have both for the same. I don't know if it's for the same client, but yeah, but basically you can have both reservation on the same table for the same time, either from the website and from Google. But you will directly see it on the floor plan that there are some reservation from the same people, from the same person. And if it's the case, you can easily move between table.
Okay. Coming back to the question we had before regarding if it was possible to ask customers to confirm reservations with reminders, they were also asking, is it possible with a click to confirm?
But basically, they will come out. No, I don't think so. I think it's just a reminder because they already confirm. In fact, what they will have, it's something like this, as you can see. In fact, they will have something like this. So the reservation is confirmed, but if they want to modify or cancel it, they can do it like this. But per default, it's confirmed. The booking is confirmed.
Okay. And is there a match between Google customer and our customer in Odoo, or does it create duplicates?
Can you repeat?
So is there a match between Google customer and our customers in the Odoo database, or does it create duplicates?
But the thing is, they will put the information in the contact reservation, but if you didn't make the synchronization with your Google contact, it won't create duplicates. So no.
So that's good. Yeah. Is it possible to use that feature with Odoo users instead of Odoo resources?
Can you repeat?
So is it possible to use the new feature with Odoo users instead of Odoo resources? So I guess it's more about regarding the resources of the tables and so on, and it's more users than resources.
I don't think so.
So
I didn't try. Yeah, I didn't try it. Maybe it's I didn't try it.
Or maybe ask go on the boot and
same. Yes.
Just looking underneath. Yeah, I've got something there. Can Google and Odoo manage a bank footprint, like a deposit, during the reservation process to prevent customers from not showing up?
Not yet.
Not yet.
No. It's really only for booking. Yeah, only for booking, not payments yet.
Can we connect the customer with a price list automatically?
I'm not sure. This also need to be discussed. At the booth.
Okay, just looking if there's other questions. Somebody's writing one, but removing it. And then it's coming here. Just hidden. Can we take a bank deposit to limit no-shows?
No, not yet.
That's it.
Same,
Same
things.
questions. Yeah. So no protection on the financial side, I would say, for the moment. Yeah.
Indeed. But this is a feedback we get quite a lot. So we definitely communicate with our PO. This is something we
Great feedback indeed.
Yes, that's a great feedback.
And I don't have other questions, so I guess if that's it.
Okay.
Then thank you for listening.
Thank you.